Let's begin building your ePortfolio. If you're building this portfolio on your own, you can get started by clicking the Create button on the right. But if you're using this as part of a course, you may need to find the course page first. You'll want to check with your professor to see if they're using a course and a template for your class in the Digication system. So we'll come back to creating the actual portfolio in a minute, but for now, let's make sure we can find your course. In the middle of the dashboard, you'll see an area labeled My Courses. Just click the green Find button to the right. If your class is using a Digication course, your professor will give you the name they used so you can find it easily. When the right course is found, simply click the link and click Enroll to join the course. The course is simply a place that connects all the students in the class. I'm going to just click on the People tab over to the right. In this tab, you can see all other students in the class. This makes it easy for the professor to find their students' portfolios, and it makes it easy for students to collaborate and share their portfolios with each other. Go ahead and click on the ePortfolios tab. Here you can see any portfolio pages related to this course. You may see a resource page here, including important documents such as syllabi and rubrics. And there's a chance this course uses something called a template. A template is essentially a portfolio page you can create from. Rather than starting off with a blank portfolio, clicking Create Portfolio from Template will start you off with presets, such as page names or instructions that your instructor has left for you. This is to help guide you while adding to your portfolio. If there is no Create ePortfolio from Template button, go ahead and click the Home button at the top left of the page. Next, beside My ePortfolios, click the green Create button. We can watch a quick intro video on the features of New Digication, or feel free to watch our other tutorial videos. We have the option of choosing between the classic or the new Digication. Now, there may come a time we stop supporting the old interface, but you will always have the ability to access and edit your already existing classic ePortfolios. Let's click Use New. This is the portfolio creation page. Here, you can adjust all your initial preferences for the portfolio. The first step is to give the portfolio a title. Since the portfolio is always going to represent you, using your name is a good place to start. Maybe specify your course number at the back of it if this is a course ePortfolio. You'll also notice that as you type in a title, it also generates a web address for you right below. This is going to be the direct link to your ePortfolio. So if you ever want to share the portfolio with someone, whether it be a school you're transferring to or a potential employer, all you need to do is give them this link. It can be in an email or you can include it in your resume. You also have the option to upload a directory icon or a profile picture. We can access this page anytime later on, so no need to choose something right this second. If you're creating from a specific template, leave the template option the way it is. If you're not using a template, you can choose Start from Scratch or the Showcase Portfolio template. It may be better to go with the Showcase Portfolio initially. This way, you can edit already existing presets rather than starting with a blank page. Finally, click the blue Create button at the bottom of the page.